Hi, I'm Neil, and welcome to Wise Guides, where we give your team our best practices so you can get the most out of using SiteOwl. In this video, we'll walk you through the powerful feature of creating multiple fields of view for your device groupings. With SiteOwl, you can easily set up a multi-lens field of view to ensure comprehensive coverage and optimal functionality for your security installations. You can use this feature both in design projects and installation projects. You can also use this feature in live sites if you're editing an existing camera's field of view. To set this up is pretty simple. All you need to do is go into an open plan and click on the Enable Editing button. Once you do that, you can drop any camera onto the plan, like I just did, and give it a fitting name, and I'll give mine 360 North camera. Once you do that, you're going to want to enable your first coverage area like you would normally do for any camera by going to the coverage section inside of the camera and enabling it. You can then configure the field of view however you'd like, but remember we're going to be adding multiple fields of view, so just keep that in mind. Once you do that, you're ready to set up your second field of view. To do this, you would go back to your devices and grab a lens. The lens is the most fit device that we have to be able to create multiple fields of view. What you're going to do is grab this lens and drop this directly into the existing camera you just created. Once you do that, you're going to want to change the color of your lens to help delineate the field of view that you're about to create. So we'll put this one as green. Once you do that, you'll click on the lens itself, repeat the process of enabling coverage, and then make sure it's different from the original coverage area. Now you've officially set your second field of view. If you want to set more than just two, you can duplicate this and again give it a different color. So we'll give this one brown. You can do this as many times as you need to be able to create as many lenses as you need. Once you create as many fields of view as you did, just like I did here, you can then save your camera, and then you should be able to then duplicate as necessary. So if I have another 360 camera just like this, I can create the duplicate button, and now I've created a second one with the same properties. You can also save this as a favorite, so you have all lenses dropped in, and then configure the coverage area the first time on the new plan. In conclusion, SiteOwl allows you to capture multiple fields of view for a camera in a flexible and easy way, enabling your technicians to carry out your designs in the most